Springs Speed Rally 2019, and we're all waiting to get going. Everyone's lined up. You can see right behind me, this side as well, all the way down to the start line. 40 aircraft, 2 helicopters, and the weather looks great.
So we took off at 10:15 on the dot. Okay. So we're on 5 minutes now. Okay, cool. So we're just over Fontaine. Yeah, spot on.
Alright, good. Close quarters flying.
Yeah.
See, look, there's that road coming in from the right. Okay, so that must be this one here that we can see.
Yeah.
Or that one there, probably. It's got the railway next to it.
Okay. I'm going to give it 10:23:45.
Perfect. Nice.
There's 10:23. Going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 6 minutes, so 10:29.
Okay.
For 20.2.
Okay.
Yeah, this is uncannily accurate. I didn't see that quarry on here.
Which one?
The one we've just flown over. Oh. And then straight off there we should cross the railway line.
Yeah.
And then I'd give us another 2 minutes to our turning point. Okay. Up that.
No, we're not lost because I can see an airplane in front of us.
Actually, there was a bit of pressure there before we took off. Just trying to map all the waypoints and stuff.
Yeah. You did well done. 20 minutes goes very quickly when you've got 150 miles to map.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say.
It's not this off-road.
No, it's not this, it's this one here.
It's this dirt road.
Yeah, this dirt road crossing here.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll make it 10:31:19.
Okay.
I'll make it 6 minutes to the next turning point.
Okay. So this is Symes Dam, Normal Dam, Colliery there.
Okay.
This here.
Symes Dam, Normal Dam, Colliery. Okay.
Yeah.
Lakeside Colliery. It looks like we go over there, kind of settlements over there.
Yeah. Next heading 080 degrees. Okay. So I've got a road, offset to H, off to the right to the H. Okay, there's the intersection here. You see that zigzag?
Yes.
Okay.
I get 10:37:22.
Yep.
Last one. Different.
Well done. Okay, so we can follow that one in the back now.
Yeah. So we should be looking for overcast mine again to our right.
Okay, and 2 dams onto the left. Where it says Smithfield, somewhere around there, that should be where the dam is.
So this looks like a bridge and the crossing over here.
Okay.
Looks like the bridge goes over a railway line.
Yeah.
And that would be it there. I'm pretty sure. TP4. Or it might be.
I think we're a bit close. See, from the direction we're coming, that's the wrong way.
Okay.
We've all gone wrong.
Have we?
It is the turn there. See up there. Yeah.
Okay.
5350. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. It's a railway crossing.
Yeah.
The road crossing a railway.
Road going over railway, yeah.
There is, there are trees here, eh?
Yeah.
On the picture.
1043, yeah, there are trees. 1043, 53.
Good. Yeah.
So there's our turning point, you said?
Yeah, got it. Minimum altitude 5-4. Okay.
560. Alright, I'll make it 1049, 27, 28, 1049, 30. Okay, that's T5. So it'd be 10, roughly 1054, 30, 1055. Okay. We'll turn again.
In the greatest scheme of things, we've got no idea where the hell we are.
The next landmark's this big dirt road with those coal trucks on.
Okay.
In 3 minutes from here to our turn. Okay.
So there's a turn at the end of a dam, is it kind of?
Yeah, so there's a dam to the bottom right.
Okay.
There's a T-junction just above it. I'll turn clockwise again.
Okay, see, there's this dam that's marked.
Yeah.
Just prior to the turn. Okay, so.
That's a Veerfontein.
Yeah.
So SAPFA Springs. So Kunda's got a bit of a Bordeaux feel about it.
Yeah, it does.
What's the sky here?
Yeah. Okay, so this isn't our turn is at that road there, is it?
That would make sense. So we can pick up, so I think this dirt road is
it's this dirt road right here.
Yeah, reference point. Yeah. And then as we see where he's turning.
Why are they turning so wide?
Yeah. And your reference altitude is 5,500 feet.
Yeah, cool. Good. Our heading is going to be 36.
No.
Turning up.
Then 55-25.
Okay, on heading.
7 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 minutes.
Okay.
So our first reference point is bisecting this dam here.
Dam, okay, good.
Okay.
It's on the other side of my phone and I can't get to it.
And then this road should be the R580 coming up.
Okay. Didn't we cross the R580 already? Or is that the next one?
No, I think it's the next one. It's down there.
Okay.
Yeah. What's the scope here?
Okay, thank you. Steve, I'm a bit lost now.
Alright, so over there. So we about 2 minutes away from our turn.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, go, gotcha.
Okay.
Can you see that high-wing Cessna down there, somewhere on the right?
There?
The high-wing Cessna, I can see a shadow. Okay, it's over there.
Yeah, there is.
Okay.
Tracking parallel to the N17, so that's fine.
Yeah. So we should be going just slightly away from it, though.
Yeah. TP7 is
a left turn.
Left turn. And it kind of is a little river, Oxbow River and a road.
Yeah.
And that road,
there's a bridge, yeah.
Is the R50.
Okay.
Okay. It's also where the power line intersects the road as well, so it's kind of 3 marking points. So there's a little tree beacon to our right, but we're not going to see it. There are very few landmarks on this leg.
Yeah. The lakes? Yeah, sure, it's bleak, eh? There's nothing here.
Where's our neighbour?
I can't see him.
Oh, okay, someone to our right here. Your high-wing Cessna.
8. Oh. Where's that other guy gone?
Don't see him. Oh, it's right below us. Yeah, there he is.
This is the turn I'm worried we're going to miss. There's really not a lot of
reference points.
South, this is 6
170 is crossing the N3 at the Petraport. You fly around the Joburg CTR.
No, it's not actually around.
6,000 feet.
Traffic China 6, Petrol South, Citizen Alpha Bravo India. It's 5 nautical miles to the southeast.
Oh, is that it there? Is there a...
Yes, that's it. That is it.
Is there a house there or something?
No. Yes, there's a little house. That is it, mine. Also about 4.5 minutes. Oh, hang on, is that there? No, there's one, two, and there's another one. There's one somewhere near us. It was literally right below us as we turned. And his problem is he's a high wing. He can't see me. I'm a low wing. I can't see him. Okay. Can I make it 11, 16, and 30? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay, let's see the picture of the turn. Make it 11, 22, 35. Yeah. Okay, right to the sort of the top of the sun step. This is our last leg? Yeah, last leg. Wow. Okay, by my calcs, I'll give you 2 minutes from here.
Springs race 22, 2 minutes. 22, copy for runway 03, can continue as a briefing. Okay.
It's a mini.
For aircraft on that frequency now, expect runway 03, continue as the briefing, give a look at for other aircraft.
I think it's just to the... Yeah, so that's the grass runway. Yeah. So,
Delta, beautiful, beautiful. Before we get behind the yak, for the red, white, blue. India Hotel Kilo behind, feet. Can't believe it, feet.
I've got the traffic circle, we're about to cross the line. Oh, look at that guy coming through, just underneath us. Sure. So much faster. And another one. Oh. Okay. That's it. Alright, make it 11.
Just to the inside of the
31.
India Hotel Kilo.
Well done, Steve. Thank you. That was awesome. Really enjoyed that. I did too. Thank you.
Thank you to the organisers of the Springs Speed Rally. We had a good time. If you enjoyed this, press like and subscribe, and we'll be back next year with some more racing videos.